guys, my name is Luana and welcome back to GB channel. Today we're going to talk about how to disassemble our machine. If your machine has, some conventional problems, it will need to remove the parts. To checking the issues so as well facilitate after-sale processing. If you're ready, let's go get started. Open the glass cover. Remove the left and right covers. Unscrew the screw on the left cover with a wrench. Unplug the power cord on the light stripe. Gently shake from side to side to remove the cover. Unscrew the screw on the right cover plate with the wrench. Remove the lamp stripe, limit switch, and bottom light power cable connector, and gently shake from side to side to remove the cover. Remove the top cover of the main board. Use a wrench to unscrew the motherboard cover. Remove the rear cover of the machine. Remove the drawer and honeycomb panel first and push the beam to the drawer opening. Unscrew the screws on the back cover one by one with the wrench. First, unscrew the left and right sides of the back cover plate. Then unscrew the left and right side of the bottom of the rear cover plate. Remove the dial of the rotating shift. Loosen the nuts of the rotating shaft with the pliers, and then unscrew it by hands. Gently lift the rear cover from the bottom. Be careful to not scratch the belt. Remove the cover and pull out rotating shaft connector. The rear cover can be placed on one side. If the problem is rectified, reinstall the components one by one. Pay attention to safety protection during disassembly and keep the disabled parts well. That'll be all today. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you give a big thumbs up and share this video with somebody in need. I guess I'll see you guys next time.